Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra faster. In order to make this laptop faster, there are a few things that you can do. The first one is go to the settings, then in settings go to System, Power and Battery, and this is a very important option in the power mode to change balanced to best performance. It will use more power, so I honestly wouldn't really recommend it to be put on the best performance when on battery, only for when plugged in. But even if you put the plugged in and battery on best performance, then your laptop will still be faster if it's plugged in, because it just has more power that way and can run more excessive tasks. So if you want to play on this laptop, it's not a gaming laptop, but if you want to play some games, then it's better to have it plugged in. It will have much more power. But I wouldn't really set best performance for when on battery to not compromise the battery life too much. Then another thing is right-clicking on the taskbar and clicking on Task Manager. And here you'll see this option, which is Startup Apps. And here are apps that just automatically get enabled whenever you turn on your laptop. And if there's something that you just don't understand the name of, like Security Health History or I don't know, like the Intel graphics command, if it's in its status, I would leave it like it is. But if there's something like, I don't know, the Microsoft Edge, I don't really think it's needed for it to be turned on whenever you start up your laptop. So you can right click on it and set it to disabled. By the way, you can also see the startup impact that the Microsoft Edge has a high startup impact, which means that your laptop will just turn on longer if you leave that on enabled. So if there's just something that you don't want to be start up after you turn on your laptop, like for example Discord, Spotify or Steam or anything else that just gets turned on immediately after you turn on your laptop and you don't use it each time you turn on your laptop, then it's great to disable it. Although I wouldn't disable things like OneDrive because it makes a backup of your drive and it's best to have it enabled so you just don't have to turn it on manually each time. And also it not only impacts your startup time, these apps, but also if they are constantly turned on in the background, they will use resources in the background. And what I mean by that is I'm gonna show you that on an example of a browser, because browsers do use a lot of resources. If in a browser I open several tabs, like let's open several of them. I know that's quite a lot now, but I've seen people that use even more than that. And if you have so many tabs opened or even more, then as we go to the Task Manager and Performance, we can, for example, see the memory. Its utilization right now is 5.6 gigabytes out of 16 that I have installed. And when I close the Microsoft Edge, you can see how the usage drops immediately. And it is very important if you want to run some more extensive tasks and then close all the other tasks in the background that you are not going to use during the usage of that other task. So if you're, for example, playing a game or doing anything else, then maybe close a browser or maybe close something else in the background that you just won't use during playing that game. And these simple solutions will for sure make your laptop run faster. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.